Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up another variety fun box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up the box for variety fun box. This is the February box. Love this box. Basically what this is a subscription box for snacks. So if you love getting a variety of snacks, then this is definitely the place that you want to go for a snack subscription. I would say it's the #1 out there right now. All right, so let's dive in. If you've never seen any of my unboxings before, definitely go back so you can see the variety of the snacks. My kids love this one. I definitely say this is like a 10 out of 10 kind of subscription box. All right, so this is what the box looks like every month. So it looks like that. And it's, as you can see, it's fairly big. And that's what the back looks like there. But basically this is the box. And every month, like I said, you get a ton of a variety of snacks. So this is the very first thing I see when I'm opening up the box, and you can see there are familiars and there are also some non-familiar. So that's kind of what I love, because it's definitely a variety of snacks. Okay, so we're gonna go through these so that you guys can see the variety for February. Oh, almost forgot guys, I do have a discount code, saves you 30%. So if you definitely want to grab this one, definitely use my 30% off, and that will be under the video so you guys can check that out. All right, so the very first snack I see here is from Doritos. It says here, this is an original snack box, snack recipe, not snack box, snack mix, original recipe, sir. So I'm already messing up the first snack. Okay, so that's #1. And then the next one we have here is the all-time classic. This is from Lay's. And then another classic I know in my home from Doritos. I don't know about you guys, but you know there's gonna be a super awesome Doritos commercial. In the comment section below, let me know the Doritos commercial you love the best. The one for me has always been the one where it was like it was a child and a child and a man who was dating the mom, and the child was like, okay, like he wanted to know the intentions of the guy with his mom. It was like so funny. I don't remember exactly verbatim, but that's my favorite Doritos commercial. There's so many with Doritos. Every year they outdo themselves. So let me know in the comments below which one is the favorite for you. Okay, so the next one I see, it looks like 2. This is gonna be from Knott's Berry Farm. So this is the flavor raspberry, and then there's another flavor for strawberry. I love these type of cookies. These are shortbread cookies. I love them because I eat them with like tea or coffee. I love them. I definitely I will be grabbing those. Another one here, we have Lay's. And actually this box, I totally forgot. This box is like perfect for like the Super Bowl. If you're having a party, definitely grab a box, because you don't know what people are gonna like, and you can just throw these on like a party table with all the snacks, and everybody else can figure out like what they're gonna eat. And then another one here is from Lay's. This is barbecue chips. And then we have another from Sun Chips. This is French onion. I remember eating these type of chips when I was young. And then we have Pirate's Booty. This is each white cheddar. So we have that. And then another one we have here is vanilla wafers. Definitely, we love that in my house. We have Goldfish Grams. These are vanilla cupcakes. I've never seen those before. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have seen this out at all. I've never seen this before. So see, if I didn't get this box, I would have never known about this flavor. So I'm definitely gonna give that one a try. Probably hide that one because I love sweet snacks. And the next one we have here is from Chicks Deluxe Mini Rainbows. And then another one from Abby's Cookies. These are chocolate chip. We have another one from Mini Chips Ahoy. That's definitely a classic. And then we have another one. This is from Pure Sweetness Baking. This is chocolate chip. So kind of the same brand, but totally 2 different snacks. And then we have Scooby-Doo. So if your kids love that cartoon, there you go. These are graham cracker sticks. And then we have bite-sized cookies. These are M&Ms, and these are minis. So it looks like the rainbow flavor there. And then we also have Scrabble cookies, the juniors, the ones that have the letters on it. My kids love this one. We also have another Scooby-Doo crackers, so we got that. And another Scooby crackers. So these are made with whole grain, so that's super cool. And then we have gold baked cheddar. Let me know if you guys have seen any of these snacks before. Some I have, some I have not. Famous Amos, these were classic when I used to live in New York. We love this. I don't really see these actually where I live in Texas at all, so I'm definitely happy. We love that in my family. And then we have these. These are really, really good. Late at night with hot cocoa. So these are grandma's cookies. This is in chocolate chip. And then another one from oatmeal. So these are like the super soft baked cookies. That's what that is. And then we have Planters. How many of you guys have heard Planters retired Mr. Peanut? Super sad, not cool, but at least we get to savor one more packaging of Mr. Planters. And then what else do we have? Let me see if I have any. Okay, we have here Sour Punch. So we have that there. I don't know, this is like a Sour Punch, Embrace Yourself. It's kind of like a licorice, not really, but in the sour flavor. That's kind of what it looks like to me. And then we have Rice Krispie treats. I love making this, but it lets you let your kids take these with them to school. So I love that. And then we have Welch's fruit snacks, of course. Another classic for those lunch boxes, so that's good. And then we have a couple of these. We have, what is this? Mott's Assorted Fruit. So we have 3 of those. So that definitely will last you for the week. And then with the other Welch's fruit snacks, another one from Black Forest, Juicy Burst. This is mixed fruit. So we have that. And then we have peanut butter crackers. Those are classic in my son's lunchbox. And then we have Airhead Bites. I've never seen this one before. I'm not too sure if this is new. Let me know if you've seen this before. I've never seen that one before. And then this is what I've seen from Airheads, the classic Airheads here. So we have 2. We have White Mystery, and then we have Grape. So I guess this one you'll figure out when you open it. And then we have classic Grape. And then we're almost done. I told you this is why my kids love it. It's like super always packed. We have Chewy, we have from Quaker Chewy. This is in chocolate chip. We have that bar. And then another one, oh, there's 2. They're both the same flavor. So we have 2 chocolate chips. And then we have Nutri-Grain. So there's 2 different flavors. One is in blueberry, and then the other one is in strawberry. That was everything that was in this box. So guys, let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried this before. My family, like, this is a box, once it comes in my house, I cannot not do the video because they always want to dive deep into it. I'm sorry for making noise. I just want to show you guys everything that was in this box. So what did you guys think? This is everything. We're not going to recap because we'd be here forever. But what did you guys think of everything that was in this box? I definitely think this is a subscription box that's worth it. There's no competition to this one. Variety Fun always gives such a good variety of products. So definitely let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you guys never miss another video. And we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.